In this video, we will learn about final method and we will check can we inherit or not final method and what is the concept of overriding the final method. First, I'll create here a class. I'm just creating the class as a child class. And I create one more class as a parent. And that I create one method final public void test. I'll provide the method bracket here. System.out.println. I'll provide one message calling from parent class. Okay. Now I'll extend parent class into the child class by using the extend keyword. I know you are aware, or I am hoping you are aware about the inheritance. Here I'll create the main method and I'll create the object of child class equal to new child. Okay, and then I am calling the method test. Here you can see there is no compile time error, so I can say we can inherit the final method. Okay, now I'll run this. I'll run the child class. You see math calling from parents class, you can see in the output. So we can inherit the final method. Okay, so most of the time interview want to know from you are aware about the inheritance or overriding concept or not. Overriding is the different things. So now we will discuss on the overriding. So suppose we have a final method. I want to override this method inside the class child. Okay, I'll use overriding annotation, and here I'll try final public void and test. Okay, here you can see we cannot override final method, right? But we can inherit. Here you can see make parent method as a not final. I make it. So if parent class have a method non-final, you can override in the child class with final. You can do it, but you cannot override if method inside the parent class as a final. You cannot override as a child class same as final or even not final. You can do it because why you can do it as like this, because you can see you cannot do in this way. Okay, so if method parent class have a non-final, then in child class you can make final. If method inside the parent class final, then you cannot override, but you can inherit. So thank you watching this video.